Hello, this is Markella and welcome to Screen Hack Friday episode 10, where we're going to give you a free way to turn your important metrics into super cool dashboards. At ScreenCloud, we use Google Data Studio to share our important KPIs every month, our SEO rankings, and our PPC campaigns. Today, we're going to share with you 3 tips to create cool dashboards using Google Data Studio. There are so many dashboards that contain so much data, and every time I look at them, I wonder, what is this dashboard trying to tell me? What is the most important piece of information here? What is the story behind it? This is why you should share your most important metrics by thinking which is the most important piece of information you want to share with your audience, and then visualize it using branding, different colors and fonts, or even visualizing it through a bar graph or a pie chart. Not only you have to keep your dashboard simple, but you should also subtly try to signpost them. For example, adding a label to your X and Y axis, or giving a name to your graph, or using colors to show positive and negative. I've already said how branding and colors are very important. In Google Data Studio, you could easily customize your dashboards and your fonts. Something we really love here at ScreenCloud is always being on brand. So you could use your brand colors and even import your logo so everybody knows it's your dashboard. Finally, once you've created your very cool dashboard, it's time to add it to ScreenCloud using our Embed app. Why don't you try this today? That was it! This is the end of Series 1 of Screen Hack Friday, and I'm so emotional. I honestly hope our finale was better than the Game of Thrones one. We'll be back with many more cool tips to make the most of ScreenCloud. Let us know in the comments if there's anything specifically you'd like to see. See you soon! That's it for this episode. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube for more Screen Hack Friday episodes. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.